The plan Dan Hollings crypto trading is a program designed for average people who understand the value of early investment and the concept of money working for you. If you are a busy working professional, a mom with young children, or someone who has been trading crypto for a while, the plan is for you. There are many advantages to the plan, and I highly recommend it. Listed below are some of its benefits. Hey, it's Junil and welcome back to the channel, and today I am giving a review on the plan by Dan Hollings along with my personal free bonuses. The plan Dan Hollings crypto trading has been a resounding success among crypto traders and investors. Dan has a proven track record of making more money per month than many top professions. His plan was unintentionally developed after Dan's difficulties in crypto land. He had to try thousands of elements before finding one that would work. His plan worked so well that he decided to spread it to thousands of people. As a matter of fact, the price of cryptocurrency is constantly fluctuating. As a result, the price of Bitcoin may rise or fall as quickly as 5%. But this volatility gives investors an opportunity to profit from it. The plan Dan Hollings crypto trading uses the buy low, sell high theory to capitalize on it. Regular traders usually get out of crypto when its price goes down, thinking that it might not go back up. However, this is a false assumption as crypto always returns to its previous level. Dan Hollings has also written a free course that makes crypto trading easier for beginners. During the webinar, he lays out the entire plan. The course covers topics such as how to set up bots, how to use three-circled risk management, and how to allocate money. Dan also teaches the power of DCA and how it can improve your crypto trading experience. So if you are considering investing in crypto, don't hesitate to check it out. After the plan went viral, it spread quickly. At first, Dan taught the system to friends and family. As the word of mouth spread, the program soon reached a large audience. The plan continues to grow and expand. In addition to the online course, Dan Hollings also has a book available. You can download the plan by following the links below. This guide is step-by-step guide to cryptocurrency trading, which has already generated millions of profits for many traders. Crypto experts have long praised the plan Dan Hollings as the most effective crypto trading system ever. But despite its effective reputation, many people still question the effectiveness of this plan. After all, it took Thomas Edison thousands of elements before he finally found the perfect one. While this course isn't a scam, isn't certainly not an investment, this is a course that can change the lives of a number of people. The plan Dan Elaine's crypto trading course is easy to follow and explains everything in simple terms. It includes step-by-step video training, and it is intended for both beginners and more experienced traders. This program is a great way to get started in this exciting but volatile market. Although you can expect to make millions overnight, this course will teach you how to succeed by leveraging the market's volatility and price fluctuations. Elaine and Dan Hollings' plan is based on Dan Hollings' own strategy that has worked for many people over the years. He was able to implement it with the help of his business partner, Jason Fladlien. Jason Fladlien made $10,852 in 6 months using the plan. But despite the positive results, Dan didn't share his secrets. In fact, he hadn't intended to sell his plan, and he keep on setting up a website or email list. Fortunately, Elaine convinced him to do so. The plan Dan Hollings system is based on the latest research in the market and the exponential growth of cryptocurrency market. In the last 10 years, cryptocurrency has outperformed every other market, including stocks and bonds. Smart investors are planting the seeds for their future wealth now, but how do you get started? What's the best time to start investing in cryptocurrency? Read on to discover the answers to these questions. Chris Munch is the CEO of Amplifier and the owner of crypto trading software company Munch. He has developed a new crypto trading program called The Plan that uses an automated system to trade. The system works by making hundreds of transactions a day, earning a small profit from each transaction. The profit is then paid to the user via their Bitsgap account. The plan also uses smart AI bots to make trades on various exchanges. The plan is a beginner's course that teaches the basics of trading cryptocurrencies. It uses revolutionary technology, such as grid trading analysis. The course offers step-by-step video training and uses automated trades to maximize profits. Unlike other trading courses, the course does not require prior experience or knowledge of crypto. Even beginners can benefit from its strategies. Moreover, it includes exclusive bonuses and strategies that can help traders make profits in the crypto market. The plan Dan Hollings is a unique approach to trading. It differs from the traditional buy low, sell high strategy and highly automated. Even in a down market, this strategy will continue to work, and it is possible to achieve profits using this strategy. It requires a simple bot setup and can even work for beginners. It can also be used by experienced traders. This method is not based on complex trading skills. It's a rare opportunity to find a crypto trading system that appeals to the general public. The plan is different because it emphasizes passive cash flow. It promises to generate your first dollar within minutes. Moreover, the program also comes with an exclusive bonus package that is offered to only the members of the program. In addition to that, Marcus Lim is a founding member of the program. By joining through him, you will get access to his personal support. Unlike big affiliates, he is personally involved with the plan, making it an even better option. The automated bots in the plan Dan Hollings crypto trading course are one of the most valuable tools that you can utilize to earn daily revenue while working minimally. The program teaches you how to create and use bots to maximize safety and income while using the three-circle approach to risk management. It demonstrates how to use DCA or decentralized algorithms to make the most of automated bots and reduce your workload. The automated bots in the plan Dan Hollings crypto trading program execute a plan to buy and sell automatically based on the preset targets. The bots buy and sell crypto coins when their prices reach a certain threshold and profits are automatically added to your balance. This is a risk-free way to trade, since you don't need special skills or knowledge of cryptocurrencies to use the bots. Automated bots in the plan Dan Hollings crypto trading program are designed to work with any type of account. This software has been tested by experts and conducted 3 rounds of beta testing. It is recommended that you invest a minimum of $1,029 to get started with this program. If you invest more money, the returns will be higher. In addition to the automated bots, in the plan Dan Hollings crypto trading program, the program also offers office hours with the founders himself. One of the biggest benefits of using automated bots in the plan Dan Hollings crypto trading course is that they automatically make money when coins pairs move, which makes volatility an advantage. It also reduces your risk by making volatility works for your gains. In addition to automating the trading process, automated bots in the plan Dan Hollings crypto trading course also include a set of robots that trade the market for you. The plan Dan Hollings crypto trading is a crypto trading system that focuses on the wiggle factor algorithm. This algorithm is designed to predict the exact moments to purchase and sell cryptocurrency, thus creating a profit with minimum effort. This method is not a revolutionary solution, but it does not have some advantages. It is also conservative and allows you to minimize losses. The plan Dan Hollings crypto trading review is an honest reflection of the program. This program is not for everyone, but it is for those who understand the importance of investing early and the concept of money working for you. It is great for working people, mom with kids, and people who are already trading crypto. It is not only easy to follow, but it does require a substantial amount of money. The plan Dan Hollings crypto trading review highlights some of its advantages. You should read it carefully to see whether it will suit for your needs. Originally, Dan Hollings' plan was designed to be private, but its success has expanded to 92 countries. This system does not require any special skills or capital, and it has helped countless people make a ton of money. In addition, you don't need to be an expert in anything to start using the plan. And since the system is so easy to implement, it can be easily implemented by anyone. The plan Dan Hollings is a guide for beginners who want to make a living with crypto. It is designed to teach beginners everything they need to know about cryptocurrency and make the transition to the plan as smooth as possible. It has 6 sessions a week and teaches you how to use bots and allocate your money. Ultimately, the plan will teach you how to invest in crypto with the least amount of hassle. So, if you're interested in the plan, then click the link below to access the plan. And also, I've got 4,500 worth of bonuses that I'm including for people that buy personally through my link in the description below of this video. Again, I've got $4,500 of bonuses that I am including for people that buy personally through my link in the description below of this video. We go down further and then we get to my first bonus. This one is called El Bandito. This launched a little while ago. A couple of months ago, gave really well sold. Massive customers love it, and it's going to be a method for you to make even more money online. Okay, so it's my bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is the incognito method. If I can get my teeth in, and this will show you a way to make money online without ever really showing your identity. So it's really cool, okay? So that's my bonus number 2. Bonus number 3 is the clones. This is a method and a course that it will teach you how to ethically duplicate other people's affiliates campaign for your own benefits, so you can make your own commissions. And alright, that's a bonus. That's number 3, right? So bonus number 4 is from $0 to $100 in 24 hours. The reason I've included this is that I know a lot of you guys that are watching, you want ways to make money as quickly as possible, because maybe you need the money as quickly as possible, right? And you don't get much quicker than 24 hours. So this will teach you how to do that. How to get from 0 money in your bank account to actually getting $100 in there. Okay, so it's a bonus. Number 4. Bonus number 5, and my last one is broke to $100 a month. This will teach you how to take your profits and scale your online e-commerce from nothing to the next level. It will teach you everything from scratch, even if you don't know how to drop shipping or e-commerce. Okay, that's a bonus number 5. Once you purchase the plan through my link, then email me at my bonusesget@gmail.com, and I will send you login details of all the courses ASAP. Click the link in the description to get access to the plan and my bonuses worth of $4,500 for limited members only. If you love this video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future updates on cryptocurrency. Thank you!